Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Ursula Island, or most commonly known as Birds Island.
Mahal ko Maynila.
Tara na, travel with me, travel with me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my another travel video. In today's video, we're visiting one of Palawan's best kept secrets, Ursula Island, more famously known as Birds Island. Located in the southern parts of Palawan, this protected sanctuary is home to different species of migratory and resident birds. Before visiting, you'll need a special permit from the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office, or PENRO, in Puerto Princesa City.
Si pangalan na naya? Ano?
Kurisum ang tawag na mo?
Kurisum.
Lumaslom, tamis-tamis.
Sumaslum tamis-tamis daw mots. Kurisum. May prutas daw nasa Ursula Island lang po makikita, di ba sir?
Kurisum.
Kurisum. Matamis-tamis na maasim-asim na ano po ba? Yun lang.
Yun lang.
B.O.B. Tikman natin guys. Sabi nila, maasim-asim na matamis, na maalat-alat, na mapanghi. Lagi naman na, oy. Ay, sumat. Maasim talaga.
Since the island is carefully protected, everything feels untouched. It's the perfect place to slow down, enjoy nature, and appreciate how beautiful Palawan is beyond the usual tourist spots.
I want you to be the man on your own.
Anong isda yan niya?
Balo. Tapos may trevally ano.
Hala. Legit. Marunong pala talaga kayo. Oh, kainga pa. Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Ursula Island, or most commonly known as Birds Island. So itong isla na to, personally, sa'yo, paborito mo din ba to? Oo, dito sa Bataraza. Oh, ito din yung paborito kong isla dito sa Bataraza. Pero ito yung pinagmamalaki talaga ng Bataraza na isla kasi may hambing mo din siya sa mga islands doon sa norte, like El Nido, Coron. Super puti ng magandang spot dito sa isla. So if ever mapunta kayo dito, masarap tong tambayan guys. Pakita namin sa inyo. Para siyang kahoy na natumba. I mean, hindi na naka-recover. Aside sa puting buhangin, yun, habitat din siya ng mga birds. So mamaya daw 4:30 PM, uuwi daw yung mga birds kasi ito yung kanan nila. Yan. Tambay muna tayo dito guys. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
One of the highlights of our visit was joining the bird counting activity. With the help of local guides, we observed different bird species while learning about their migration and the importance of protecting their habitat. Seeing these birds in the wild made the experience even more special.
Ganun.
Bird counting pala ang tawag niyan. Dapat, yan ang monitoring nyo, di ba? Buwan-buwan dito.
Opo. Yan ang mga report namin, pati yung mga pag-transfer ng
Pawikan counting.
pawikan.
Yan mga ganyan.
Oo, ganyan. Yan ang pinipicturan namin ng jutag yan. Pati yung pag-bird counting jutag din yan lahat-lahat. Yun ang ipapasa namin sa opisina. Kahit nandito kami, may mga report kami doon.
Ano nga ito nga plan? Dito na kami. Saan? Bird Sanctuary. Parang ano tayo, Butch?
Si kuya ko niya rin nakitang ibon, tapos kuya na bahala kung totoong ibon.
Ayan, no? Pag start ng anong oras kaya, simula silang mag-travel pa balik dito.
Pag mainit ang panahon, mga alas 4:30 na yan sila darating.
Balik na.
So ngayon dahil makulimlim, maaga pa, alas 2 pa lang, nagbiyahe na sila.
Tapos alis na naman kinabukasan ng
Umaga ma'am,
madaling araw.
hindi, yung maliwanag na siya. Maliwanag na. So pero ano sila, kalat, hindi sila sabay-sabay na
Oo nga,
umaalis.
iba-ibang area din ang pinupuntahan nila, no? Kung saan sila may pagkain, doon din sila. Mukha mo na ano ko. Gusto ko hindi man to bird. Uy.
Pero yung city colores, nandito rin. Nagiging 7 ang kulay niya.
Oh.
Marami yan sila dito ma'am, hindi sila umaalis ng isla. Ang palatandaan namin kapag may malakas na lagapak na pakpak, siya na yan.
Animal cruelty naman yan, sir.
Dami po ito Maranos Palawan.
Ano na, palangos?
Maranos Palawan yan sis.
Wow! Sunset watching dito sa Birds Island. Kaso, palubog na yung araw.
As the day came to an end, we slowed things down and watched a beautiful sunset over the island. We spent the evening jamming to music, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere, and sharing dinner right here on the beach.
Oy! Kalat sigarilyo!
Kaya wag magtaka kung tingulan merong baha. Kaya wag mag-isip kung ang syudad merong laga. Sa pagbabago tayo sama-sama magsimula. Pagdating ng panahon tayo hindi makakawawa. Ilay-layla, ilay-layla, ilalim.
Kain marami para nagbuang malakas. Napatunayan kung malagkit yung saging ko kasi yung kalabaw magdamag doon sa puno ng saging. Sira-sira ang saging ha. Dumikit.
After dinner, it was time for one of the most exciting activities, owling. With the help of our friends, we quietly searched for the island's nocturnal birds. The silence of the forest and the sounds of nature made the experience feel truly magical.
Morning, guys! So, another day here at Ursula Island.
The next morning, we explored the island one more time before heading into the water for our diving adventure.
Hey guys, pupunta tayo sa diving spot dito sa Ursula Island kung saan maraming corals. Nakakatakot. Dito na tayo sa maraming coral.
Beneath the surface, we discovered healthy coral reefs and colorful marine life, showing that the Birds Island is just as beautiful underwater as it is above.
Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing.
After an unforgettable adventure, it was finally time to head back. But the journey home was an adventure on its own, as we passed stunning islands and breathtaking coastal views that reminded us just how incredible southern Palawan truly is.
Oh, let this be over. Want you to stay.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next adventure. Bye!